Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Razer Viper V2 Pro versus Keychron M3 Mini. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss their differences, and in order for you to understand which one is the better option for you, and the product links will be in the description below. So guys, the main differences between these two is their design and intended use. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So when it comes to their weight, guys, the Razer has 58 grams, which is lightweight and designed for gaming, while the Keychron have a 71 grams, which is compact, but it is slightly heavier. And when it comes to the sensor, guys, the Razer has a Razer Focus Pro and it has 30K optical sensor, while the M3 has a PixArt Pro 3327 optical sensor. And when it comes to the design, guys, the Razer has ambidextrous design and it is ergonomic for gaming. And when it comes to the M3, it is much more compact design and it is ergonomic for both work and play. And when it comes to the customization, guys, the Razer has a Razer Synapse software for advanced tweaks. And when it comes to the M3, it has a Keychron software as well for a basic adjustment. So guys, the final verdict will be the Razer. So overall, guys, choose Razer if you're looking for a performance-oriented gaming mouse with a lightweight design and advanced sensor features, and choose the Keychron M3 if you prefer a compact, versatile mouse that balances both work and play with more ergonomic and everyday use design. There you go. See ya.